Hello guys, we have brought Redmi Note 8 Pro, and this is Chinese mainframe, and it comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 storage. It will cost you around 33 to 40,000 in Nepal. Maybe it won't come. 256 storage. Firstly, we need to check everything, and device has the MIUI 11.0.3. It consists dual SIM, and you can check everything over here: passport, battery performance, application, MIA1, screen time, screen feature. As this is Chinese version, you cannot found Play Store on it. Very easy method that we can install Play Store on it. Just go to MI application, then you can search for G apps, and you will find Google Play Store, so you can install it, or any other Google Essential like Google Map. You can see it's very much fast to install. And it said that the application require Google Service Framework to work normal, so download and install it. Okay, you can download and install it, Google Framework Services, and it's installing. So you can check here at the background of the screen. Play Store is installing, and Google Play Services and Google Map is installing as well. Till then, we can check out other features of this mobile. You can see so it will take time according to their network connection. Play Store is installed, and Google Map is also installed. So it's easily done. You can check in, you can sign in with your IDs, and very simple.